Meaning of field house.
Field house.
Field house.
Field house.
Field house. A field house generally refers to a building, often located near a sports field or complex, that provides facilities for athletes and spectators. These facilities can include locker rooms, showers, fitness areas, meeting rooms, and other amenities. Field houses are typically used for team sports, events, and practices, and serve as a central gathering place for athletes, coaches, and fans. They can also be used for community events and activities. Overall, a field house is an important part of many sports complexes and plays a crucial role in supporting athletic programs and promoting physical wellness.